Hello, this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Here is a ta-da video that I gathered. I have knit the puff sleeve Billara for a 2-year-old, and I did the tutorial on how to start up because the rest is easy as pie. I already did a couple of videos on how to finish it up, how to divide the body parts, and so on with particular techniques on how to knit this. Here I am washing, and then I am going to wet block it on a towel here. The yarn that I have knit is Angora Rabbit yarn that I used up from my stash. I was told if you have yarn in your stash for over 2 months, even over a week, it's called a stash. So it's definitely a stash. The yarn I bought way back years ago, a decade ago, Angora Rabbit. Yeah. And here's the blue. Doesn't this look nice? Oh my goodness, I just love it how it turned out. The ribbon I had a hard time finding. The color of the ribbon, I looked everywhere. The ribbon is a little bit thicker compared to the white one, but the color matches, so I had no other choice to go with this. But from now on, I need to check if I can find the same color. Who knows? It's better to have it in hand when you receive an order, which I don't know if I'm going to receive it or not. That's another thing. I did wash this block kit. And now, at the moment, it's flying to Australia. I hope she'll receive it as soon as possible. Yeah, it's going to Australia to a 2-year-old. Here's the inside. Yeah, I will let you watch the rest of the video. I have took clips and I have put them all together, and just love it how this color turned out. Really like it. I did knit with 3-strand, so that gave a nice look. If you have any questions, please let them know. I did not write a pattern. I keep on getting that question. I don't sell patterns. Even with the tutorials, I'm having a hard time keeping it up with the patterns. I can't go through that. I'm getting old. But if you watch the tutorials and if you have any questions, just comment it and I will try to reply ASAP, which I check on my notes, my messages, comments once or twice a week. So you guys enjoy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.